Hey everyone, Happy Dude here. Today we are going to take a look at this 1989 Batmobile from QY Toys. I ordered it on AliExpress and you can see there's a lot of damage on the box, so yeah, they don't really take good care of packaging. So let's see if the Batmobile itself is unharmed. Okay, let's take a look. I already cut the tape and yeah, nothing seems to be broken. That's a good sign. Now the reason why I ordered it on AliExpress is because it's simply the cheapest. You can buy it for apples and peanuts, while on eBay you will pay usually over $100, and that's just way too expensive for this little toy. Well, it is made out of diecast. Yeah, except for these little guns here that can turn over, as you can see. Okay, that works, and the guns and the lid is made out of plastic. The canopy is also plastic. The rest of the car is all die-cast metal, and you can open up the engine bay here in the trunk. There's nothing there. Also, it doesn't have a smoke generator. I believe that's for the 124 scale. This one is scale 118. And of course we are going to compare it with my 118 scale from Hot Wheels, and this one weighs 810 gram or 28.6 ounce, and the one from Hot Wheels weighs 30.6 or, come on, switch, 869 gram. Now I bought this one because it appeared to be a bit larger, because I was very upset when I bought this one that the scale is completely wrong for the Hot Wheels. This is more like scale 120. The Batmobile should be a lot bigger in scale 118, almost as big as the Ghostbuster car, and that is, yeah, something like that. In fact, let me get it for you. Take a look at this. This is how big the 1989 Batmobile should be. So yeah, it's way too small, and it appears that this one is also too small, but a bit larger than the Hot Wheels version. Okay, let me take my measuring tape, and the one from QY Toys is 28 centimeters long. With the wing, it's 29 centimeters. And the Hot Wheels version is just under 29 with the wing, and just the body is 27 centimeters. So this one is only 1 centimeter larger, and I suspect that it's also going to be a little bit wider. Yeah, 10.5 centimeters, and this one, yeah, 10 centimeters. So it's also wider, and the height is 4 centimeters for the Hot Wheels, and 4.2 for the QY toys, so a little bit higher. But you can see that it looks a lot larger also. But this one also has lights in it. I think, yeah, it was included with the batteries. So yeah, you have some orange lights here. It should be yellow like in the movie, but it isn't. You also have some lights in the rear, no lights in the interior or on the guns. And it also has some sound. Yeah, you just put it in sound mode right here on the bottom. There's a switch. Oh, it's on off. And then you just have to press it. And then the lights also go on. The sound isn't great. Now, in terms of details, these side pipes are silver with all the extras here on the side, so that's correct. On the Hot Wheels it's black, so that's wrong, but we do have a lot more detail here on the engine parts. So yeah, and also the wheels can turn left and right. You cannot do that on the QY toys. Well, a little bit, but that's just play in the mechanism. And the guns also have a lot more detail on the Hot Wheels. See, this just looks like a plastic toy, and this looks very, very realistic. It is plastic, but it looks metal. Also the paint job itself, this is more like a satin finish. Looks a lot like it is in the movie. And this is just matte black. So we don't have any reflections, and it isn't that accurate as in the movie. And this should also be silver, and it's black. And here it is, yeah, there's a little bit of silver in there. And you can also slide this out to see the engine. We never saw this in the movie, but it's a nice touch. And then on the back side, it's all black here, as you can see. And the exhaust tips don't have much detail. And it's all in black, while this has some silver touch to it. So it looks like a metal part. The exhausts also have a lot more detail, as you can see. So yeah, this looks a lot better. Oh, and that's right. Normally these lights on the Hot Wheels are supposed to be orange, but I've painted them yellow. So it looks like exactly like in the movie. And both can open their canopy. It's a bit easier on the Hot Wheels. Okay, now let's take a look at the inside. Okay, let's start with the dashboard. Yeah, the Hot Wheels version looks just like in the movie. The steering wheel, the dials, the screens, it's all there. It's all present. And if we take a look at the QY toy, yeah, now I know why it is called QY toys. This looks like a toy. Not accurate at all. No detail whatsoever in the interior. So yeah, I'm going to give the win for the Hot Wheels, obviously, even though it doesn't have any lights. What do you guys think of these two? Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching, and you all have a nice day now. Bye!